Paint and Passion, Reclaiming the Magic of Spontaneous Expression by Michelle Casso and Stuart Cubley. Discover the joy and wonder of the painting experience. When you do not use art as a means to an end, but as a way to inhabit and explore the present, you reclaim your sense of what is authentic in you. It is like a recovered instinct that manifests not only in your approach to art, but in your response to life itself in all its expressions. What can I say? What more can I say? This is a really nice book to work through. Let's have a look at the contents. So there's quite a few. They're short chapters, so it's when you see like all of these chapters, they're short chapters to help you really kind of dive in and not get too bogged down with, you know, how long this chapter is. And so we've got the beginning, her journey. We learn about the author and how she learned and how she managed to find ways to break out of that, and then the process of working through creating and letting go. And there is, I mean, I've made loads of notes through this to really about things that came to me, and it's about not looking at what you're creating, not looking at the finished product, but looking at the process and playing, and, you know, not the way that the words that we use in relation to art, and then it's got some of her, you know, the tools, the students, and some of her work that she's used in terms of expressing, or examples of, to use in expression. Very colourful, very you know, taking you out of, their methods of taking you out of the confines of your box, or the box that you may feel that you have been in, and just allowing yourself to be free and thinking about how you're feeling, thinking about what the process, how you feel about the process, and what are you doing in that process. So it's more than just it's not a book that is showing you, it's showing you a technique of a way of working and a way of expressing yourself, but it's more than that, in the sense that you're encouraged to not only, you know, try that in your expressing in terms of your work, but also making, you know, journaling. I think journaling will also help you. And yeah, it's definitely a book to, if you're feeling stuck, or you think you need some inspiration, or you need to you want to think about a different way of working or approaching your work, then it's definitely a book that you can work your way through. Your art is a part of the big painting of your life. The next expanse of nothingness with its latent possibilities awaits you, draws you close. You are on your own, standing by yourself in the middle of creation. In the beauty of that aloneness, and in how you respond to it, you will find your passion.